So, here we go then. Walker Ekiza pumps it upfield. Boateng, clever ball. He's on a real charge. Shoots here. It's a fine save. And they escape imminent danger. He's going on. Real chance. And the referee's assistant has his flag up. That must be for offside. Lucas Romero, Sebastian Dominguez. No change in that score, 0-0 it remains. Some dangerous moments, but he was there to intervene. He plays it through. Through into space it goes. The quality of the cross is everything in these situations. Whistle goes. Referee just gives the throw. Lucas Romero. Danger was there, he dealt with it well. If anyone's going to break the deadlock, then now would be a good time. Boateng. Well played, that got them out of trouble. Lucas Romero. Here's Prato. He tried going it alone, but without success. Boateng. Abraham. This goes for a throw-in. Tried to play it through, looking to exploit the space. And the goalkeeper well placed to take the cross. The whistle goes to signal the midway point of this game.
I think it's been a very impressive defensive effort. They've never been broken down and contained the opposition attack extremely well.
Neither side has managed a goal. It's 0-0. Walker Ekiza. Prato. Now there's a chance to counter. Played into space out wide. Drives it in. And he makes absolutely no mistake. And the goal coming early in the second half. He was never going to decline an invitation like that.
Look, you can only exploit the space if the pass is good enough, and in that instance it was instinctive and quick, and it did the damage.
So we resume at 1-0.
Oh, half-time has been a blessing for this team. You know, what a great start to the second half.
They've scored early in this second period to make it 1-0. Prato. Lucas Romero. Sebastian Dominguez. Papa. Ball was taken. Manu Del Moral. Walker Ekiza. Looking to receive the ball, break could be on. Ball goes through. Here's Manu Del Moral. Away from the danger area now. Alejandro Cabral. Papa. Half an hour of this second half. Fabian Cubero. Papa. Lucas Romero. Sebastian Dominguez. Fabian Cubero. Papa. And that's come to nothing. Just a few more moments and this will all be over. Lucas Romero. Well, time is against them. They need to get this ball forward. And he's still going. There is the final whistle. By the narrowest of margins, they have come through this test. And that owed a lot to the defence, who were absolutely brilliant.
Yeah, they got the win despite the